Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm Ayanitemi. If this is your first time being here, thank you so much for staying by. Please don't forget to subscribe. So I discovered a lot of people are having problem with threading this machine. So I have got you a simple and stress-free way you can thread this machine without problem. If this is what you're interested in learning, keep on watching. Let's go. So in this video we are threading the hardest part first. This machine uses 3 thread. Just take one of your thread and put it at the back of this place that you see me putting. Then open this place up and bring out the thread exactly the way you see me doing. Then I'm just trying to place my camera very well. Then put it exactly like this. Just put it inside that small hole exactly the way you see me doing. Bring it out and put it under just like so. Then this part you can use a broom for your own, you can use a needle for your own, or you can fold your thread into two and put it inside this place just exactly the way you see me doing. Put it in, then use your picker to bring it out from there. So after putting it, you just have to take your needle and your thread rather to the back. Like we have one small hole at the back of that thing. Can you see it? My camera is not picturing that place very well. Just put it inside that hole and bring it out from this place. Bring it out from there. Yes, we are almost done. That's the most added part of threading this machine. We are almost done. So the next thing is to bring out one of these things that you see me touching. Then pass your thread from the back first. Then you take it to the front. So your thread from the back, then take it to the front. Then use your picker to pick it like this. We are done with this part. We are done with the most hardest part. So let's close it. Let's move to the second part, the easiest part of this machine. This one is the most easiest part. Just take it like this. Then do it like so. Then put it inside that small hole again. Put it inside that place. Then just follow the same process. It's very, very easy. Just put it just exactly like that. Put it inside this place too. The next thing is to put inside that small tension and just tweet exactly the way you see me doing. So after that one, the next thing is to put the thread inside your needle. So just use your picker, and some people use picker to thread everything, but I prefer using my hand. That is why you see me using hand. So just do it like that. We are done with two. I told you that is the most easiest part of it. So this is the third one. This one too is very, very easy. Just follow the same process. So put it like this, from under to up, then here from up to under. Then the next thing is to put it inside that small hole that you have. Just put it like so. Put it like so. So the next thing is to pass it through your tension. The third tension, just do it exactly the way you see me doing from that place. Then put it inside that small hole too. Just put it exactly the way you see me doing. Then put it under this place. Just do it just exactly like this. Put it under like this. Then use your picker to pick it. Use your picker to pick the thread. Like just pick it like this and put it there. Just like so. Very simple. So the next thing to do is to put the thread. We have two of this thing in the machine. So we have fixed the first one and this is the second one. Take it from the back, put the thread from the back, then remove it like this. Then just put in the thread exactly like this from the front. So then use your picker to remove it just like that. We are done with threading this machine. We are done. Like the machine is very, very simple, but I don't know why people are having problem with it. We are done in this place, so let's test it. Can we see how neat my own machine is? If you thread it very well, and if you discover that the machine is cutting continuously, just reduce the tension small. If your thread is cutting, reduce the tension small. Because when I got my own too, I noticed that the thread that comes to the needle mouth always cuts all the time. So I reduce the tension and I have a very neat weaving. Thank you so much for watching. This will be the end of this tutorial. Please don't forget to subscribe and turn on your notification bell. Thank you so much. Please don't forget to like as well. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.